If you've been wanting to start selling digital products, but every tutorial you've watched just makes you feel more confused, this video is for you. I've been there, watching people talk about digital products and passive income like it's this magic thing, when in reality, it's just a simple business model that lets you earn money on your own terms without being glued to a 9 to 5 schedule or trading your time for money. And it's actually way simpler than you think once you understand what matters. Today, I'm breaking down 5 practical tips so you can start selling digital products online the smart way. Whether you're starting from the very beginning or you've already been experimenting on Etsy or Gumroad, these 5 things will set you up for long-term success. So first things first, before you even think about designing your first template or planner or whatever sort of digital product you want to sell, you need to get clear on why someone would buy it. The best-selling digital products solve a real problem or save people time. It's that simple. So think about what people are already searching for. There's digital planners that help people stay consistent and organized. There's customizable invitations that help people personalize events like birthday parties or weddings. And there's lesson plans that help teachers with their curriculum. If your product helps people accomplish a necessary task faster or more easily, no matter how small that task is, that's how you know you have a digital product idea that has the potential to become a bestseller. So instead of launching your business with the idea that you want to make cute Canva templates, start by saying, I want to help a specific person do a specific thing faster or better. That mindset shift alone is going to save you months of trial and error. Okay, once you've got a product idea, you need a foundation for your business. And this is where most people get stuck. A lot of new entrepreneurs start on Etsy, which is great for visibility, especially as a beginner. This is where I started too. But Etsy isn't available in every country. And even if Etsy is an option for you in your country, you don't technically own your Etsy shop. So if you launched your business on Etsy and Etsy alone, if Etsy disappeared tomorrow, so would your income. That's why I always say that you want to build something that's yours. This is where Hostinger comes in. They make it super easy to build your own website, even if you've never done it before. You can head over to hostinger.com/Tatiana10 or use the link in my description, and I'll show you how quick it is to make your own website and sell your first product. I'm choosing the business plan because it's the best value. It includes a free domain and an e-commerce feature with 0 transaction fees on digital products. This is huge because on most other platforms like Shopify, you'll have to pay a transaction fee every single time you get a sale. Plus, with this plan, you'll get access to Hostinger's AI tools. You'll even get the AI website builder, which creates your entire site in just a few clicks. And once your website is up and customized, you'll also get access to an AI writer. This will help you come up with SEO-friendly articles and product descriptions, and you can use Hostinger's AI logo maker. Once you click Get Started, the AI asks you what your business is about. I'll type in a specific description of the vision that I have for my website. Within a few seconds, the AI website builder creates a full website layer with text, branding, and images. From there, you can customize everything from the color to the font and the pages. That way you can be sure that it reflects your unique style and branding. The 48-month plan gives you the lowest monthly price, and make sure you use my code Tatiana10 at checkout. That's TATYANA10. Using that code will give you an extra discount. And right now, Hostinger is running a huge Black Friday sale, and you can stack my code on top of that for an even bigger discount. If you're watching this later, don't worry, you can still use the link below to get the discount. It just varies depending on the time of the year. So whether Etsy isn't available where you live, or you just want to make sure that you're protecting your business with a digital headquarters that you actually own, building your website with Hostinger is going to give you the strongest foundation to grow from. I dropped my link and the discount code in the description box below so you can get started. Now that you know how to build the foundation of your digital product business, let's talk about how to actually get your products sold. If you want to make consistent sales, you have to understand how people find your products. That's where SEO comes in, or search engine optimization. Whether you're selling through your website or Etsy or anywhere else online, SEO is what helps your products actually show up when people are searching for them. And if this concept is completely new to you, don't worry, it's really not complicated. You just need to know exactly what people are typing in to find the types of products that you want to sell. A really good place to start your research is on Google. You can go to Google Search and type in some different search terms that you think people might be typing in to find products like yours. Then before you actually click search, take note of some of the recommended fill-in searches that pop up under the search bar. These are recommendations from Google based on other popular search queries. Your goal is going to be to get your product's titles, descriptions, and tags to match what people are actually searching for. Taking the time to do your SEO research and write your product's titles and descriptions with intention will put you ahead of 90% of other sellers who are just guessing. All right, my next tip, and this is one that a lot of new sellers miss, is to prioritize your email list. Even if you only have one product posted on your shop, you can start growing your email list right away. Regardless of how you're getting customers, whether it's through SEO or social media marketing, algorithms change, search trends die, and you can't directly control how many people are seeing your products on a daily basis. But your email list is a marketing channel that you truly own. You don't need to overthink your email list strategy. You just want to offer your customers something in exchange for them signing up for your email list. This could be a simple freebie like a checklist or a guide, or it could even be as simple as giving them a discount in exchange for them signing up for your email list. Collecting emails and building your email list from the start gives you a way to talk directly to your customers. That way you can encourage repeat orders, and you'll be able to promote your products later on without depending on going viral. All right, my last tip is the most important for the long-term sustainability of your business, and that is to have a growth mindset. Selling digital products isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You might not see massive sales right away, and that's okay. It took me 8 days after launching my business to get my first sale. And in my first month, I only made around $150. But I kept at it, kept learning, and stayed determined. And within 4 months, my digital product business was paying my rent. What matters is consistency and determination. Keep improving your products, keep showing up, and treat your shop like a real business. Your digital product business can absolutely change your life, but only if you actually start it. So start with the skills that you have now and make yourself a promise to get 1% better every single day. So to recap, my best advice is to 1, start with solving a real problem. 2, build a strong foundation that you own with your website. 3, take the time to learn SEO. 4, make sure that you build your email list from the beginning. And 5, throughout your journey, make sure that you're operating with a growth mindset. If you follow these 5 tips from the beginning, you'll be miles ahead of where I was when I started. Huge thank you again to Hostinger for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to use the link in the description and the code Tatiana10. And if you want to learn more about SEO and how to do the behind the scenes research to pick a best-selling digital product niche, you can click here to watch my step-by-step tutorial. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my future videos, and give this video a like if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.